Ah, what a beautiful day it is. I'm going to be checking out the images for Superpetsinpsc. Oh, and look what's on the right. It's DC
League
of Super Pets. It's one of my favorite movies of all time. It better not have Hank sleeping from
Talking Tom Heroes.
If it does, I'm going to rage. Please don't have it, don't have it, don't have it. Please, it's not gonna have it. No, no, no. Please, it's not gonna have it. Please don't. Please don't have it. No, 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 no. What? Are you kidding me? That's it. I'm going to rage now.
It looks like the excitement of my artistic triumph is too much for Squidward. Oh well.